Hello there, Cliff here, Cliff Harvey RC Planes. Thanks for checking me out. This video is part 2 of my Corona lock-in round the pole radar controlled fly-in session. In the first part video, which I'll link to below and at the end of the video, I flew my autogyro, and in this video it's the turn of the Microaces Fokker Triplane and SE5a. Also, you'll see my Bleriot pusher triplane. So like, subscribe, hit the little bell button. You can subscribe down there. I nearly said down there. You can subscribe down there or below, and there'll be a link at the end of this video for part 1, the autogyro flying session. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for looking in.
Okay, there we go. Manfred von Richthofen on the runway. It's nosing forward. I've had an idea. Why don't I start it here and it can fly right off the end. Okay, time for a hand launch. There she goes. Right, throttle back a bit.
Ich roll nicht, und wenn das Herz auch bricht, ewig verlorenes Lieb, ewig verlorenes Lieb, ich scroll nicht, ich scroll nicht, wie du auch strahlst in Diamantenpracht, es fällt kein Strahl in deines Herzens Nacht, das weiß ich längst. Ich scrolle nicht, und wenn das Herz auch bricht.
Run, 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 run! Oh. Oh, the wind took it. Couldn't get the lines tight. Right then guys, I'm going to try the Bleriot now. As far as I know, the centre of gravity should be about where I've got this black carbon rod through the fuselage, so that's where I've put the hook for the minute. There's Louis, looking quietly confident. I put a bit of nose weight on this last time I tried it. Let's get the transmitter on. Right, rudder. Elevator, so I'm going to put on full right rudder. And this is probably going to brake if it takes a tumble. Don't know, it might pull like that. Maybe that's good, maybe it's not. Wish me luck. Don't wish me luck. Louis Bleriot was an innovator after all. Unfortunately, if he crashes on those stones, he's going to break. Come on, Louis, you can do it. At least the prop won't get damaged. I chickened out though. I shut the throttle because I could see it wasn't lifting off. But let's try again. Maybe that hook needs to go further forward. Okay, hook forward time. That went slack. Surprising really, because it's got quite a bit of fuss, this little propeller. Oh, heard a crack. I should have tried hand launching. Oh, it's an easy fix. They all are with these models. Okay, let's go back to the DR1, shall we? There she goes. Right, throttle back a bit. I don't think it needs any weight on the outer tip. As it already looks. Perhaps bending the hook actually